Welcome, 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 welcome. Okay, okay. Today, let me figure this out. Okay, cool. So today, here we are. We're here. We're doing our thing, obviously. Let me just put that. I'll put it right there. Yeah. That looks cool. Got to give it that like Kanye, Kim Kardashian webcam looking type thing. And then we'll push that right there, and that should be okay. Okay, so here we are. Hello, gang, gang. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to create an account on Free Label. So here we are. We're just doing our thing. So you're basically gonna come to Free Label. Probably gonna, come here, and somehow you'll end up here and be like, hey, and you'll be like, Jimbo Jones. Will you be your name? And let's just say you're at Yahoo. And let's just say your phone number is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, I think I'm dyslexic. Whatever. Anyways, yeah, bam, bam, bam. Click that. All right, look at that. Wow, your account's getting created. And if you have time, just click any of our partners right there. And here you are. You're at Free Label. And, gives you a little thing right here. Just lets you know, hello, Jimbo Jones. Welcome back. Um, just gives you a little thing right here, just letting you know, hey, I'm Elon. Nice to meet you. Little thing. And here you're gonna have a little progress map right here, just letting you guys know where you're at in getting your account set up. So this is probably the most important thing you want to look at while you're getting your account set up. Otherwise, we also have some other things like media. We also have services, and we have an affiliate program that you can kind of opt into and get paid. So that's that. And then also fan funding. So yeah, we got a few things for you to come here and set up and do your thing. Um, for if you're a creator and you're a servicer of anything like that, this is where you want to come and set up your profiles and stuff. So probably have a little bit more explanation up here, adding that there. But yeah, pretty much you're gonna explain yourself here, and this does a lot because then we can kind of understand who you are, and the AI can kind of work with you and know most about you. So that's this little section right here. It looks ugly. Give it like a week or so, and this will look really sexy because I've been doing a lot of work, all right, and yeah, this is one thing I haven't gotten to touch as much as I want to. So with that being said, the onboarding right here is the most important thing. If you want to get into uploading content and things like that, this is where you want to get started off with the media section. And then services. Obviously, if you want to start offering services or like collecting leads or putting requests together, this is the section you want to kind of like lock in with. If you're just wanting to make money, if you truly just want to make money with us, and that's all you're here for, this right here is your job. This right here, that's your dog. The affiliate links, yep. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And then fan funding, of course, is for the profiles as well. So yeah, all of that stuff is on the front page. Pretty sick, pretty sick. So yeah, one just letting you know, yeah, that when you first get to your dashboard, this is where you want to set everything up. One by one, you'll be able to create and set everything up. This right here, obviously, I'm on a local version of Free Label, but you can copy this right here, and then you got a link. Bam, just like that. Obviously, this won't say any of that. It'll be a whole different URL. But basically, if you want to make money with us, this is where you want to pay attention to the affiliate stuff. So, yeah, the affiliate stuff, you copy your link right here, and this is where you're going to be able to see stats on it. Here shortly, we're going to have even more stats, so you'll be able to see each individual link click and kind of all the data on it. That's going to be fun. So we also have your earnings contracts and budget terms, which are not showing up in here for some reason. So I will look into that. But you'll basically you have a certain amount of money you're gonna get paid. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Right here. This is your contract right here. So yeah, if you want to make money with free label, this is where you're gonna make your money. The affiliate links. This is your link that you'll use, and the more links you get, the more clicks you get to this link, the more money you make. So it's pretty cool, pretty straightforward. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, then you have your fan funding packages, and basically this is kind of like the same thing as like I don't want to say it, but OnlyFans. Yeah, yeah, it's basically OnlyFans. You can create. Wait, you know what? You don't have profiles. Okay, so yeah, you can't create a fan funding package until you create a profile. So basically, you create a profile and then you're able to launch like subscriptions, like OnlyFans type style stuff. Um, and we'll get to that later. But yes, you once you create a profile here, um, you're able to launch a fan funding package, and that's where you can launch a monthly subscription for your fans to come and subscribe, or not just fans, but even if you just have a monetized following, like say there's like 6 people that want courses from you, like yeah, just blah blah blah. You just put it behind this monthly subscription, and then bam, yeah, that's it. I mean, if you want to launch your own subscription product, you can do it through this. So whatever, just do whatever you want with it. That's the whole point. We want to make it dynamic. So fan funding is cool. It's pretty dope. Launching monthly subscriptions. We might even just call it monthly subscriptions because fan funding is kind of interesting. Now that I think about it, we might just fucking call it monthly subscriptions. Jesus. Anyways. That's why we want you to be founders on the platform. We want you to join the platform because we're still building this. I swear to God, we're building it right now as we're going. So go to freelabel.net, create an account, use the promo code friends, and you'll get like a really good discount. Um, but yeah, so this is the dashboard. This is what we have so far. I haven't even gotten into AI stuff. So this is basically how free label works. You launch your profile, you create a profile, and then next thing you know, you're able to launch your services in the marketplace. So yeah, this is the dashboard. This is basically how it works. And then on the side right here, you got Elon. This motherfucker right here. Um, you can pretty much do everything. You want to launch a mobile app, you want to create a service, you want to upload content. It pretty much recommends you and takes you anywhere where you need to go on the site. So even like this, uploading content. How about this? Let's just start off something easy. Create a business profile for my studio. Help me create a new artist profile. Let's do that. Help me create a new artist profile. Creating a new artist profile is a great step. I can help you. So name, blah blah blah. Well, I'm gonna cheat. I have one already created, or not created, but paste. Okay, bam. So location, city, state tags. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna be pretty simple because I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna be pretty simple. So here's a simple request. Let's see what happens. Okay, cool. Created a new profile. So with that being said, if I'm not mistaken, there it is. Jerry Jim. Jerry Jim. Beautiful. Oh yeah, by the way, like I said, I don't know if we're raising the price or anything like that, but um, long story short, you can always come here if you're the homies and type in the code friends. Friends. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that discount. That discount is beautiful. Come on, are you kidding me right now? That discount's amazing. All right, so yeah. What is that? Like 70% off? So yeah, just fuck with us. Fuck with us. Fuck with us. So yeah, that's that. This is dope. You know, gang. Just use the code friends and you'll get that cheaper price. Tell your friends too. Oh, also you get cloud files as well. Just letting y'all know. Oh my god, y'all get cloud files. I forgot. Every account gets a gigabyte. Again, this might change. This is all changing every fucking minute. But 1 gigabyte, and you get like you can just pretty much upload anything you want. Like if you want to send files to somebody, if you want to like say if they're like, yo, send me that beat, blah blah blah, or send me the track out to blah 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 blah. Like, just fucking upload it in here and drop it. Send it to homie. It's all on the cloud. We're not taking your data or anything. It's just like literally, if you need to deliver a file to somebody, stop worrying about this. Stop worrying about that. Just drop the file, send it to somebody. That's it. So we have a cool little system for that. Check out the cloud files. I love it. Amazing. What else? What else? So yeah, created media. I mean the profile for Jimmy, Jerry Jim, and it just needs some shit on it. But yeah, pretty simple. How to create a verified profile? Bam, bam. Yeah. So I mean, this is pretty much not it. I'm not gonna say this is it. There's still so much more, but I'm just gonna like leave it at that for now. That's why I didn't click too much into the other stuff because I just want to at least give you guys an understanding of how the dashboard works and how it operates. Um, you can always click here, go to your to edit a profile. So yeah, this right here, this is where you can actually edit your profile. See, there's your website, there's your Instagram. Um, the AI forgot to put a little thing right there, so I'll just do that. Correct it. You're welcome. Choose your state, make sure you're all good there. Bam, bam. You can put an email and phone number for people to contact you. We're working on some design features so you'll be able to manage the actual layout of your look and feel of your profile. The management as well. This is where you can assign like your owners, the owner users, or like your billing manager. So say like if you want to say who the managers and the owners are, you can define that here, and then whoever handles the money and the financing, you can assign that to a separate account, or you can just have it on the same account as well. So that's what this is for. Just because the profiles are kind of abstracted away from users, you can have a lot of people assigned to one profile. So like if you have a say like the Drake profile, you can have all the managers, all the road team, the assistants, all of them could be logged into this, or they could all be attached. They could all have separate users, but they're all attached to this profile. So, yeah, that's where you can. That's where all of this will live. Fan funding, aka the subscription stuff, that's where this is. This stuff is gonna live for a profile. So, you'll be able to manage your entire fan funding and your monthly subscription packages that you offer. You'll be able to do that through here. Um, so yeah, that's the dashboard so far. I'm gonna keep it really simple in this one, but yeah, subscribe. Let's get it. Try it out. Let's witness what is possible, my guys. Let's go. Yeah, yeah. It's lit.